This is the question asked in today's skillrack daily challenge. So in the first line of our input, we are given the values of R and C, and after that we are given a R cross C integer matrix as input, and then we are given two integers. So the first integer is x and the second integer is y. So now here x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4. So we have to multiply the second row and fourth row. So this is the second row and this is the fourth row. Now our task is to multiply both of these rows in a zigzag fashion. So what we have to do is we have to take the first integer in the xth row and multiply it with the last integer of the yth row. So the first integer in xth row is 7 and the last integer in yth row is also 7. So we have to multiply both of these values. So 7 into 7 is 49, and then the next integer, that is the second integer in xth row, is 4, and then the last second integer in yth row is 3. So 4 into 3 is 12, and then the third integer in xth row is 3, and then the last third integer in yth row is 9. So 9 into 3, 27, and then the fourth integer in xth row is 7, and then the last fourth integer in yth row is 6. So 7 6 are 42, and then 6 into 1 is 6. So I am printing 6, and then 8 into 8. So 8 8s are 64. So finally I am printing 64. So this is how we get our output. So now let us see how to write a C program for this. So first I am creating 4 integer variables named R, C, X and Y, and in the next line, using a scanf statement, I am accepting the values of R and C, and then I am creating a two-dimensional array named mat of size R cross C. And now we have to accept our input matrix. So we have to create a nested loop and accept the R cross C integers and store it in the two-dimensional array named mat. And only after that we are given the values of X and Y. So again, using a scanf statement, we have to accept the values of X and Y. So now we have accepted our input. So we know the xth row and yth row, and we have to print totally C integers in our output. So I am creating a loop that iterates for C times. So in every iteration we will be printing the product of two integers. So we will be taking the integers from left to right direction in xth row. So we have to give the index as x minus 1 because we are storing from 0. So in the x minus 1th row from left to right, so I am giving the index as I, and we have to multiply this value with the yth row. So again, for y we should give the index as y minus 1, and the yth row we must take integers from right to left. So we should give the index as c minus 1 minus I, so that we will be multiplying in zigzag fashion as per the condition given in the question. So this is how we should be printing the output. So thank you for watching.